Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a Vercel project public in just a few quick steps. Log into your Vercel dashboard and click on the project you want to make public. You'll see the project overview page load with your deployments and settings. Next, look at the navigation sidebar and click on Settings. The settings page will load, showing multiple configuration sections. Now, in the settings sidebar, click on the Security section. This will open the security settings page where you'll see several options including logs and source protection, attack mode, and others. Scroll down until you find the logs and source protection section. By default, this protection is enabled, which means your logs and source code are private. You'll see a toggle next to this setting. Click the toggle to disable logs and source protection. The toggle will change state to show it's now off. You might see a warning message about reviewing your environment variables and vercel.json file before disabling this. That's expected. This setting makes your source code accessible at the /_src path and your build logs accessible at the /_logs path on your deployments. Review the warning and confirm the change. Once it's saved, you'll see a confirmation message. Keep in mind that this change only applies to new deployments created after you toggle the setting. Your existing deployments won't be affected. Also, this is specifically about making your source code and build logs public, not about removing password protection from preview deployments. One more thing, you can also make a deployment public on a per deployment basis using the Vercel CLI with the // public flag, or by adding a public property to your vercel.json file. This gives you more granular control if you only want certain deployments to be public. Before you enable this for a production project, review your environment variables to make sure there's nothing sensitive that shouldn't be exposed. That's how it's done. Thanks for watching.